illnesses and remedies. Acne is a source of embarrassment for many teens and adults. It is especially prevalent during the teen years as hormonal and other changes occur during the transition from childhood to adulthood. Keeping the skin clean, engaging in exercise, getting enough sleep, and eating a healthy diet can all reduce acne flare-ups. Drinking herbal teas provides deep healing to the body, reducing outbreaks as well. Pimples away honey. Burdock is an excellent remedy during the teen years when pimples are a nuisance. Since a teen may not find drinking tea convenient, try this sweet recipe. Your teen will need to take 1 tablespoon each morning and evening for a month or so before he or she notices clearer skin. It works very well. If it's too sweet, add the remedy to a cup of iced black or green tea or juice. Local honey is a nourishing sweet that contains trace nutrients and local pollen. Consuming local honey may help reduce sensitivity to pollens and enhance the function of your immune system, providing an extra benefit to this acne fix. Ingredients: 1 pound fresh burdock root or 4 ounces dried burdock root, 1 cup water, 1 cup honey, preferably local. Instructions: simmer burdock in water covered for 45 minutes over low heat. Strain out the roots and compost them. Measure remaining tea. Boil uncovered until approximately 2 cups of tea remains. Add honey. Heat again, but do not boil. Pour into sterilized jars. No refrigeration needed. Makes 3 cups. Healthy skin for life. Healthy skin is possible at any age. Maintaining a proper pH balance, ensuring cleanliness, and using gentle moisturizing are actions you can take to keep skin supple and promote a healthy glow. Humectants, such as glycerin, pull moisture from the air and prevent the skin from drying out. Rosewater Skin Cleanser. Purchase rosewater in a grocery store, natural food store, or pharmacy. It's used in Middle Eastern cooking and in pastries. It has a perfect pH for keeping skin healthy, and it's gentle and soothing. Rosewater makes skincare products smell amazing too. Glycerin is obtained from pharmacies or natural food stores. It's excellent for skincare and for making herbal medicines for children. This recipe is my favorite face cleanser. It's very gentle and smells expensive. It's the next best thing to awakening in a garden. Ingredients: 1 cup rosewater, ½ cup vegetable glycerin. Instructions: gently heat rosewater and glycerin in a saucepan until very hot but not yet simmering. Pour into a sterilized bottle with a narrow neck. Let cool. Apply cork or lid. Use as an extra gentle skin cleaner for all types of skin. Rinse face after using. Make up a large batch and pour into fancy bottles with a decorative bow for gifts that are joyfully received. Healthy hair and scalp. Many commercial hair care products are expensive and full of chemicals. Natural cleansers can reduce itching caused by a dry scalp. Cool chamomile shampoo. Check the label before you buy any herbal shampoo. Chances are good that the amount of nourishing herbs is minimal. Instead, make your own herbal shampoo that has enough herbal power to improve the condition of your hair. This recipe makes a shampoo that soothes your scalp and brings out your natural highlights. Ingredients: 1 cup distilled water, 1 ounce dried chamomile flowers, 3 ounces liquid Castile soap, 1/8 teaspoon sesame seed oil, non-toasted, or olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon tea tree oil. Instructions: combine the water and chamomile in a saucepan. Cover. Simmer for 20 minutes. Strain the chamomile from the tea. Compost the used chamomile. Pour the remaining ingredients into the tea. Stir gently. Pour into a recycled or purchased shampoo bottle. Gently shake the ingredients in the bottle before applying to wet hair when shampooing. This is a low suds, easy to rinse formula. If you want to use it for children, substitute a no tears baby shampoo for the Castile soap. Rashes and skin irritations. Skin can itch and develop rashes for a multitude of reasons. Dryness, allergies, harsh cleansers, and hormonal changes are just a few origins of the torments that bring about rashes and skin irritations. This salve is gentle enough for babies, but it can be used for any skin irritations. The herbal oil and beeswax are healing and serve as a moisture barrier for inflamed skin. Chickweed salve. This effective salve can be used to relieve rashes, eczema, and psoriasis. Ingredients: chickweed leaves and flowers, freshly picked, olive oil, 1/4 cup beeswax. Instructions: pick chickweed between 10 a.m. and noon for maximum potency of the herb. Place on a screen or towel for a couple hours or until the leaves are limp, then place in a glass jar. Cover with olive oil. Pack herbs down and be sure that oil covers them by approximately 1 inch. Place lid on jar. Keep jar in a sunny location, such as a window, for at least 2 weeks. Shake at least once daily. Be sure that herbs remain covered with oil. After 2 weeks, strain herbs through several layers of cheesecloth. Squeeze the cloth tightly to get all the healing properties of the chickweed. Pour the oil into the top of a double boiler. Add beeswax. Gently heat until beeswax is melted. Pour salve into small covered containers that have been sterilized by boiling. Be sure the jars are completely dry prior to pouring in the salve to prevent mold. The oil will thicken into a nice barrier cream. Store at room temperature. Apply to clean skin as needed. Healthy recipes for skin and hair. Healthy skin depends on healthy nourishment. Eating foods that keep you hydrated and foods that benefit digestion and optimize nutrient absorption will contribute to skin health. Healthy fats reduce inflammation and provide needed nutrients for your skin to be elastic and young-looking. Mediterranean hummus. Hummus is a great spread for crusty bread or as a dip for fresh raw vegetables. This hummus is rich in tahini, which is made from nutrient-dense sesame seeds. It provides fiber and healthy fats, and the olive oil reduces inflammation. Garlic contains allicin, which prevents free radical damage from sun exposure and pollutants. Basil is a rich source of antioxidants. Yogurt may reduce acne flare-ups. Ingredients: 1 15-ounce canned chickpeas, drained and rinsed, 1/4 cup tahini, 1/8 cup low-fat plain Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 4 cloves garlic peeled, 2 tablespoons basil leaves, fresh, sea salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: puree all ingredients together with a food processor or blender. Add sea salt and pepper if desired. Refrigerate before serving. Cooling fruit salad. Combine your favorite fresh herbs and seasonal fruit for this phytochemical-rich fruit plate. It's a terrific source of flavonoids, vitamins, and antioxidants. These have anti-aging benefits for your skin and entire body. Serve this cooling dish as a salad or dessert. It's perfect on a hot summer's day. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh raspberries, 1 cup sliced nectarines, 1 cup blueberries, 1 cup honeydew melon cut in 1/2-inch pieces, 1/4 cup mint leaves, fresh, 1/4 cup water, 1/4 cup honey. Instructions: combine fruit in a medium-sized bowl. Place in refrigerator until serving time. Bruise mint leaves by pounding with a mortar and pestle or with the back of a spoon. Place mint, water, and honey in a small saucepan. Bring to a simmer, stirring constantly. Remove from heat. Let mixture sit for 15 minutes. Strain out mint leaves. They won't harm you if you eat them, though. Chill syrup in refrigerator. At serving time, pour syrup over chilled fruit. Dr. Donna's juice for clear skin. Dr. Donna started using this recipe when she had her own television show on health in California in 1999. She has used it as one of the recipes in her juicing class, and many students have given her testimonials on how well it works. The students received comments from people they knew the very next day after the class. Ingredients: 1 cucumber, 4 carrots, 1 parsnip, 1 red bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, 2 tomatoes. Instructions: juice all ingredients and mix the juice together. Drink this juice every day for 3 days before a big event to make your skin look beautiful. Thank you for watching. This concludes our segment on herbal remedies for skin and hair. Our next video will cover herbal remedies for the respiratory system. If you enjoy these videos, please subscribe and thank you for your support.